Welcome, dear listener, to another episode of Exploring Political Thought. Today we embark on an exploration of Aristotle's profound insights into the rule of law and the Constitution. Aristotle, a pioneering philosopher, emphasized the significance of a rightly constituted law as the ultimate authority. His ideal was a constitutionally based order where laws held precedence over personal authority. In Aristotle's view, the rule of law was preferable to rule by a single citizen. Even if individuals were to rule, they should function as law guardians or ministers of the laws. Aristotle contended that a free political relationship involved a shared responsibility where both the ruler and the ruled had defined legal statuses. The passionless authority of law bestowed moral quality and dignity on both the magistrate and the subject. Unlike a dictator, a constitutional ruler governed willing subjects with consent, fostering a unique relationship founded on moral equality. A constitutional ruler's authority, Aristotle argued, differed significantly from the authority exerted in master-slave or husband-wife relationships. He critiqued Plato for not adequately distinguishing political authority from household authority, asserting that a political relationship was one of equality. In an ideal state, members needed to share the same virtue, emphasizing the concept of an association of equals pursuing the best and highest life possible. Constitutional rule, according to Aristotle, encompassed three main elements. Firstly, it served the general interest of the populace, contrasting with ruled by faction or tyrant, which prioritized the interests of the ruler or a select few. Secondly, constitutional governance adhered to laws, ensuring that the government operated within established regulations. Thirdly, it involved willing subjects ruled by consent rather than force. Drawing inspiration from Plato's laws, Aristotle underscored the importance of laws for a moral and civilized life. He saw civility in law as a product of accumulated wisdom from ages and generations, grounded in both written and unwritten customs. Aristotle, in contrast to Plato, argued that the collective wisdom of the people surpassed that of the wisest ruler or legislator. He emphasized the role of public opinion as a justifiable standard in politics. For Aristotle, a constitution was not merely a basic law determining the government structure and power allocation but also reflected a way of life. Changes in the constitution brought about changes in the political community. Aristotle eloquently compared it to a chorus able to perform different roles but composed of the same individuals. A constitution, Aristotle posited, had two crucial aspects, ethical and institutional. Ethically, it determined the aims and goals pursued by a community, examining the relationship between a good citizen and a good man. Institutionally, it involved the structure of political institutions, the distribution of power, and the determination of sovereign authority. Aristotle categorized constitutions into true and perverted forms, evaluating them based on general welfare and the number wielding political power. Monarchy, aristocracy, and polity were true forms, while tyranny, oligarchy, and democracy were perverted forms. Monarchy, for Aristotle, could be a true form if ruled by a virtuous person, although historically, he acknowledged the challenges of finding such a ruler. Aristotle's analysis of oligarchy, democracy, and tyranny provided a nuanced understanding of the complexities inherent in different forms of government. While he recognized the potential pitfalls of democracy, he saw it as tending to be the best among the perverted forms, highlighting its ability to represent the interests of the majority. In discussing ideal types, Aristotle concentrated on monarchy, considering it the best form if a wise and virtuous king could be found. However, he was cautious about granting anyone absolute power, emphasizing the principle of equality between citizens in a given state. Aristotle believed in considering the practicability and enduring nature of a constitution under given circumstances, acknowledging the virtue and intelligence of an average individual. In conclusion, Aristotle's views on the rule of law and the Constitution have left an indelible mark on political philosophy. His emphasis on the superiority of law, the ethical and institutional aspects of a constitution, and the delicate balance between different forms of governance has profoundly influenced our understanding of political systems. Aristotle's recognition of the importance of equality, justice, and the practical considerations in political theory continues to resonate with scholars and thinkers today. Thank you for watching our videos. Please hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel.